You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. To learn more pronunciations in English, more vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The British English pronunciation here is as frantically. Frantically. Now the k syllable is usually pretty much skipped, and most people say cli at the end, frantically. Now in American English the pronunciation is similar, frantically. Some may pronounce it as frantically, but that'd be a bit rarer. Generally frantically, or US pronunciation, how to pronounce frantically. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.